นั่งกะในลงไปในขัดมันก็นี่ก็ลงเบียดตั้งแต่
Trinamool Congress leader Mukul has denied reports about him joining the Bharatiya Janata Party, stating that it is an old story based on different sources and that his joining TMC ahead of the 2023 Meghalaya Assembly elections was based on his decision to leave the Congress. Sangma said that in 2019-2020, he had decided to leave Congress for various reasons, so people concluding on things based on what happened in the past is not correct.
That time I didn't want to say no, because if some proposal comes to meet me, even for the political discussion, there's no harm in listening to them, because at that point of time I was deciding to leave Congress. Let me be very frank. At that point of time, 2020, 21, that time I was already deciding to leave the Congress because of various reasons, which I have shared with media. And even before that, there were emissaries who were sent. Even before 2014, emissaries were sent. These are long stories, old stories, long and old. It's not in one particular year. But then I think they are aware of my stand. They are aware of my stand.